I started to lose my hair in my mid-30s.
About 49, I started to get receding hairline in the temple areas. And it started to affect me a little bit.
I was feeling embarrassed, I was feeling ashamed, and I was feeling older than I really was. One of the things I used most often were hats. Eventually, I started using the pills and the potions and the lotions to help hair regrowth. And after several years, nothing was really working for me.
What I found was that there was a strip method out there where it was a pretty invasive procedure.
When I looked into hair restoration, the thought of a scalpel or sutures or staples and certainly a linear scar between my ears was unacceptable to me.
A friend of mine told me about the NeoGraft.
And then I discovered NeoGraft, and that was a game changer for me.